Okay, thank you so much, my dear students, for being with Teacher Gwapo all the time. And last time we learned about the relationship between the units of length. And we've learned also in our previous video about comparing length. Now, this time we will try to solve word problems involving length. Okay, let's start. Okay, go. Okay, in solving word problems, there are different steps, but it's time for math. So I want everybody to know that my name is Teacher Gwapo and I'm your math teacher in grade 2. And this is the book that we're using, and this is the special features in this book. And okay, this book has 11 chapters, and now we are in chapter 7. We are talking about length, chapter 7. So we will solve the word problems involving length. So solving word problems in chapter 7. Solving word problems in length, these are the words that you must remember. Long, short. Long piwa yao. Short piwa san. Longer, yao kwa. Longest, yao tisot. Short, san. Shorter, san kwa. Shortest, san tisot, or we say short tiyak, shorter tiyakwa, shortest tiyak tisot. So this is the shortest woman in the world. Her name is Jyoti. Jyoti is she's 28 years old and she's from India. Okay, she's an Indian actress, and this is the shortest man, but he is died already last it was a long time ago, last 2015. September 3, and his age was 76 years old. And this is a Filipino. His name is Junri Balawing. He is also one of the shortest men in the world. He is only 59 cm. So it's like about 2 rulers, 30 centimeters rulers. Very short. Okay. Since our topic is about solving word problems, now let's try to solve the problems. Now, in solving word problems, there are steps. Okay, so here are the steps to solve word problem. Now, in step number 1, you have to read the word problem carefully. Again, read the word problem carefully. And then step number 2, you have to understand the problem. Okay. You have to understand the problem. When you say understand the problem, you ask yourself, what do I know about the problem? Okay. And what do I need to find out in the problem? Okay. And step number 3, you have to plan the workings. Am I going to use plus or minus, or maybe divide or times? So you have to decide what operations to use. Okay. Step number 4, you will solve the problem. If you understand the problem and you have decided what operations to use, now you will solve the problem. That is step number 4. So when you solve the problem, you have to write the number sentence. Now later I will show you how to do it. And step number 5, you have to check the answer as well. Now let's say, for example, here, rope A is 2m and 45 cm long, and rope B is 82 cm long. What is the total length of rope A and rope B? Okay, now here, when you say total, it indicates that you have to add. Okay, you have to add here. Total. When you say total, you have to add. Now, when you add, so here's the working or in a number sentence, 2m, rope A, this is 2m and 45 cm. Rope B, 82 cm. Now, we cannot add if they are not in the same, and the other one is meter and the other one is cm, right? So what you're going to do, later I will teach you how to convert. Now here, 2m and 45 cm is equal to 200 cm because 1m is 100, 2m 200. That's why we have here 200 cm. Okay, this 200 cm is from 2m. 1m, 100 cm. Okay, m is meter. Cm is centimeter. In Thai, we say met, centimeter, cm, centimeter. So 2m is 2m is equals to 200 centimeters. So 200 centimeters plus 45 centimeters. That's why we have here 45 centimeters. Now rope A is 245 centimeters long, and rope B is 82 centimeters long. So you will just add, because it says here what is the total. When you say total, you have to add. So the total length is 327 cm, right? Because 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. Write number 2 here and carry 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, you write 1 here. So when you write your answer, you have to write it properly. Here, write number 1. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. That's why we have here 327. So therefore, the answer here is the total length of rope A and B is 327 cm. Okay, now here, another example here. We have another example here. Now, a building is 75 m tall, and a tree is, what is a tree? Tree is near a building is 900 cm tall. Again, a building is 75 m tall, and a tree is near a building is 900 cm tall. The other one here is m, meter, and the other one here is cm, centimeter. So we need to convert. So how much shorter is the tree than the building? Now, how to do that one? Of course, first, you have to write the working. 75 m minus 900 cm. So 900 cm is equals to 9m. So we convert the cm into m. It's easier. So the building is 75 m, 75 meter, and the tree is 9m. The tree is near in the building is 9m tall. So we will minus, it's not plus. We should minus this one. It's not plus, okay? So let me erase this one. Okay, this is minus. Okay, minus. We use minus sign here. Okay, this is minus 75 minus 9. So 75 minus 9 is equals to 66. So a tree is 66 m shorter than the building. Okay, we use minus. Do not write plus. If you write plus, that's wrong. Okay, so the answer, the tree is 66 m shorter than the building. Okay, okay. Now, number 1 in your book. Let us answer your book. If you have this kind of book, Mathematics Smart 2, let us answer this one. You can see the question on page 136. Okay, 136. Now, Monday is 1m and 36 cm tall. And then Sin is 94 cm tall. What is the difference in height between Monday and CN? So when we say difference, we need to use minus. This word indicates minus. What is the difference? Okay, difference. So we use a minus sign. Okay, minus sign. Now here we go. In workings, we write there 1m and 36 cm minus 94 cm. Okay, minus 94 cm. So 1m and 36 cm, again 1 meter, 1 meter, nung meter is equals to 100 cm. Nung roy centimeter, okay, 1m, this one, 1m is equals to 100 cm. 36 cm is equals to 36. Why you put plus here? It must be minus because we're looking for, this one is plus because we need to add this one, 1m and 36 cm. That's why we have here plus. Now 136 is the total of 1m and 36 cm. Now we can answer it now. Okay, we write there, Monday is 136 cm. Why 136? Because of 1m and 36 cm is equals to 136 cm. That's why Monday is 136 cm tall. And Sen is 94 cm. So we will minus. Now the difference is 42 cm. Now the answer in number 1, the difference in height between Monday and Sen is 42 cm. That's the answer in number 1. Okay. Now in number 2, let me erase 1. Now in number 2, the length of a ladder X is 4m. Ladder Y is 200 cm longer than ladder X. So what is the length of ladder Y? Because ladder Y is 200 cm longer. Okay? 200 cm longer. Now what operation are we going to use? Plus or minus? Because it says here longer, we use plus sign. So 4m plus 200 cm, but they are different. This one is in meter and the other one is centimeter. Of course, we need to convert. 4m is equals to 400 cm, or cm is equals to kiloy centimeter. Okay. So 4m is equals to 400 cm. Okay. Now we write here, ladder X is 400 cm long. Ladder Y is 200 cm longer than ladder X. Now the total, or the length of ladder Y is 600 centimeters. Okay, 600 centimeters. So we just add, because ladder Y is 200 cm longer than ladder X. So the answer is 600 cm. That's the answer in number 2. Okay, finish. If you are finished, let's answer number 3. Now in number 3, the story here about a snake. Okay, about a snake. A snake was 82 cm long. Now the snake is 1m and 24 cm long. How much did it grow? How many cm? Now here, 1m and 24 cm, the length of the snake. And then, but now the snake is 1m and 24 cm, right? Now here, so 1m and 24 cm is equals to 100 cm plus 24 cm. So we need to convert so that it's easy for us to subtract. So 124 cm, we just subtract by 82 cm, because before the length of the snake is 82 cm long. Okay, 82 cm. So right here, the snake is 124 cm long now. And then before, the snake is 84 cm. The snake is 84 cm long before. So the snake grew for 40 cm long. This is not 600. This is 40 cm, not 600. I forgot to edit this one. It must be 40 cm long. Let me write here 40. Okay, 40 cm long. Do not write 600. If you write 600, your answer is wrong. Okay, so do not write 600. Okay, don't write 600. I will cross it out again. Cross out the 600. Okay, let's cross out the 600 here, because the answer here is 40 cm. Okay, now for your answer here, it is the snake grew for 40 cm long. Okay, 40 cm long, not 600. Okay, now thank you so much, my dear students, for listening, and I hope you learned new things today, and I hope you answered your book already. Thanks for watching, and God bless everyone. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you answered your book already on page 136 if you had the mathematics for grade 2. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you.